Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we count the number of sorted pairs in an array, such that one element in the pair is divisible by the other. By the end of the session, we'll have a clear understanding of how nested loops, modular arithmetic, and conditional logic for solving array-based problems. The problem is to find the pairs A and B in the array where one is divisible by the other. For example, in the array of 1, 3, and 2, valid pairs are 1, 2, and 1 and 3. In the array of 2, 4, 6, valid pairs are 2, 4, 2, 6, and 4, 6. This ES5 implementation uses a nested loop to compare each pair of elements, a condition to check if one element is divisible by the other, a counter to track valid pairs. This function ensures all pairs are evaluated and the total count of valid pairs is returned. The solution involves systematically checking all pairs of elements in the array. First, a nested loop ensures every pair is compared. Second, for each pair, we check if one element is divisible by the other. And third, if the condition is met, we increment the counter. This approach guarantees that all valid pairs are counted. Let's analyze these examples step by step. For the array of 1, 3, and 2, valid pairs are 1, 2, and 1, 3, giving a total of 2. For the array of 2, 4, 6, all pairs 2, 4, 2, 6, and 4, 6 are valid, resulting in a total of 3. These examples demonstrate how the logic identifies valid pairs. The ES6 version uses modern JavaScript syntax. Arrow functions for concise function expressions, const for immutable variables. The logic remains consistent with the ES5 implementation while improving readability. In summary, this program demonstrates how to use nested loops and conditional logic to count pairs that meet specific criteria. It is a great example of working with arrays and modular arithmetic in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.